the registration number has exceeded 1,67,321, making it a new Guinness World Records record. So I would like to congratulate the Andhra Pradesh Innovation Society, ITENC Department, Government of Andhra Pradesh, for Avishkarana Andhra today on achieving this wonderful record and being now recognized as being officially amazing. And I would like to now present the certificate.
Adjudicator Rishi Nadgaru and Consultant GWR Guinness World Records Sri Nishal Barot.